What is going on, my friend? How you doing? Jeff Amon here. I've got a free download for you today, and what that download is going to do is it's going to introduce you to why having a bridge page is so important. What you're looking at right now is my bridge page. You can call it a sales page if you want. Basically, what I'm doing is bridging the gap between myself and the affiliate offer. So if you're out there and promoting just the affiliate offer right off the bat, who's to say somebody's not going to come and see your page? And even if they are interested, they're going to go out and they're going to sponsor shop, right? The bridge page um, takes that away. They're not going to sponsor shop because they're going to want to join from you. Now, why is my particular bridge page so very special, and why does it convert so well? Well, not only am I bridging the gap and between myself and the prosperity marketing system affiliate offer, I'm offering some very high quality bonuses that are worth a lot of money. I mean, if you go out and have people create websites for you, you're going to pay a lot of money. All right. If you're going to go out and have somebody write a follow-up email sequence for you, you're going to pay a lot of money. And that's just a few of the bonuses that I offer. So if you want to become a super affiliate this day and age, you've got to stand out from the rest. Now, I've already created a splash page for you if you are on my prosperity marketing team, and that goes a long way. But imagine getting your hands on a bridge page and being able to offer my bonuses. That is really big, guys. That is huge. And of course, I will fulfill them for you. So I will build splash pages for your students. And also, what's really cool about this is that I'm going to close back end sales, because when people come to me and want a sales page, then they are going to need to either get the $97 add-on or join your business. So I'm closing $100 sales and getting people to sign up in my students' businesses all day long. So, like I say, there's a download below if you want to learn more about bridge pages. But if you really want to take it to the next level, guys, if you want to become a super affiliate and get to that 500,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 per month, whatever it is your goal, if you want to get there the fastest, then I highly recommend having a bridge page in place. And why not just go ahead and, instead of starting from scratch and trying to do it yourself, why don't you just leverage mine? I've already got the bonuses in place. I already know that it converts very well. All you need to do is either take the $97 add-on in prosperity marketing system, or join your sponsor's business in the prosperity marketing system, and I will get this created for you. If you want to see the video on how to actually get a bridge page exactly like this, I'll include the link somewhere on this page. And that's it, guys. I just want you to know how powerful this actually is. So if you've got a splash page that I built for you, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this page to your splash page. That way when people click on your splash page, it's going to direct directly to a replicated site just like this. And of course, then it's going to be connected to your prosperity marketing system affiliate link. When people click here, they'll take the tour, they'll get a free splash page made by me, and then I'll close back in sales, and you'll just be able to collect those commissions and get people to join you in your primary business. And I'm going to do all that for you. So I hope you see the value here. Go ahead and if you want to learn more about building a bridge page, go ahead and click below and you can get a free download. But if you want me to go ahead and do this all for you, there's also going to be a link on this page directing to a video that will show you how to do that. And if you're not part, excuse me, if you're not part of the prosperity marketing system yet, by all means, guys, we are growing so very fast, and people are making sales for the first time in their life. It's time that you get started. It's a $12 per month. It's how much it costs, guys. $12 per month. That is nothing. That is pennies per day, literally. So Let's go ahead and get you started. Let's go ahead and get you to 300 to 500 per month in your first month, and then let's go from there and just really explode this. Have a great day. Bye bye.